Hello, my name is Nathanisha Kotkyung, and I am 10 years old. Currently, I am studying in grade 4 at an elementary school in Thailand. At school, my favorite subject is English because I enjoy learning new words and practicing speaking. In addition, I also like math and science since they are fun and challenging. Fortunately, my teachers are kind and always ready to help me. As a result, I feel happy and confident when I am at school. Moreover, I have many good friends and we like to study and play together. During my free time, I enjoy reading books because they give me new ideas. Besides reading, I like drawing and coloring pictures. Sometimes I also listen to music to relax. After school, I usually help my parents at home. Then I try to finish my homework on time. Because I want to be a good student, I always listen carefully to my teacher. Furthermore, I try my best in every subject. Every day I like learning new things and improving myself. In addition, I try to be polite and respectful to others. Therefore, my teacher and friends like me. Most importantly, I enjoy going to school every day. For these reasons, I am proud to be a grateful student. Finally, nice to meet you and thank you for listening. Goodbye.